Ukuria wa matura kaunti-ini 47 ni uhuritwo njeki thutha wa thirikari kurekereria muigana wa ciringi mbirioni 1.1 cia waki wa Iganda makiria cia kugacirithia magetha guteithiriria arimi kuongerera baita. Minister wa wonjoria Rebecca Miano oigite o kaunti kwamukira ciringi milioni 62.5 itena-ini ria mbere.
The main objective of KIPES is to grow manufacturing and agro-industrial investments and enhance competitiveness of the agriculture sector in a sustainable manner, hence creating inclusive and decent jobs.
Mubango uyu kuringana na Miano no wa guteithiriria thirikari kwambatiria uthondeki wa indo citiganite kuma gicunje kia 7 harĩ 100 nginyagia gicunje kia 15 harĩ 100 gukinyiria mwaka wa 2030.
The vision envisages a Kenya that can produce manufactured goods for consumption in Eastern and Central Africa, besides making inroads to the global market.
Kioneki kingi ni kwambatiria wendia wa indo iria cirathondekerwo guku bururi-ini kwendio nja wa bururi kuma gicunje kia 10 harĩ 100 nginyagia gicunje kia 30 harĩ 100 gukinyiria mwaka ukite.
Kenya's huge agro-processing potential across counties renders KIPES a high-octane economic game changer with the bottom-up economic transformation agenda that is the better framework.
Iganda ici cigwetetwo ta njia ya kwarahura utonga wa bururi, kuhurana na wagi wa mawira na guteithiriria Kenya kwamukagira mbeca kuma nja wa bururi.
Promotion of new products, reduction of post-harvest losses, and ultimately the provision of a reliable platform where farmers, processors, exporters, researchers, industrial entities, and the government would engage in agro-industrial development.
Kameme TV gikuyu horo gitau, jeta gitau wa Wajiko.